Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the awesome tent, as you can see, by Kejector. It's a beach shelter, an extra nice beach tent. It is a pop-up beach tent for sun protection. Waterproof, lockable outdoor, and it is easy to open because it's a top up or a pop up tent for 2 up to 4 people. The color is blue. Instant folding design. The frame of this beach tent is made of highly elastic memory wires. It's automatically pop up design means we can open and unfold it in just a few seconds. No assembly required. UPF 50 plus protection included. The eco-friendly silver-coated tan surface reflects and absorbs sunlight to block out harmful UV rays and protect us. The tent UPF 50 plus beach tent is therefore perfect for all our summer activities and improved stability. The tent has 4 large sandbags and 2 large storage pockets to help keep it stable in the wind. Also included are 10 steel ground packs and 4 dual ropes to further improve the stability. This beach tent stands up much better to the wind than many other brands on the market. The waterproof and ventilated. The water-resistant polyester with taped seams keeps the interior dry. Meanwhile, a high-density mesh rear window ensures that fresh air is able to flow through the tent unhindered to keep the interior cool. What's more, the bottom of the tent is higher than other brands, which prevents sand and dust from getting into the tent. And the compact space and portability is included too. The tent is 190 to 165 to 130 centimeters. These are 75 inches to 65 to 51 inches. And it offers a spacious interior that can comfortably accommodate 2 up to 4 people. It's large enough and it only weighs just 2 kilograms. These are 4.4 pounds. And it can be packed down to a travel size of 58 to 5 centimeter. These are 23 to 23 to 2 inches. For easy transportation, this included carry bag, easy to fit in the boot of a car or on your backpack. This tent is really to attach, really to use, and it looks really cool at the beach. This is the really nice and easy performing beach tent, or it's an extra large shelter, a pop-up beach tent for sun protection. It's waterproof and lockable. For outdoor activities, is this the right thing? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.